Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone storage on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to open the Contacts app. Now over here you need to tap on Fix and Manage in the bottom right corner and then go to Manage SIM. Over here you will find the list of all contacts that you have saved on your SIM card. You can select or deselect them by tapping on the square on the right side. Once you select them, then you can choose where you want to save it. As we want to save it to the phone storage, we need to switch from the Gmail to device and then press import button in the top right corner. Now you can choose to remove copies from SIM card. So in order to avoid duplications, you can delete them, or if you don't care about it and if you still want to have the same contacts on your SIM card, then you can of course keep them. I'm gonna delete them. And that's it. Now we have contact imported, copy removed from SIM. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.